Hello everyone, welcome to the BroSis education. So today we will be talking about computer software and its type. The objective of this video is what is the introduction about what is software, what are the types of software and what is the relation between software and hardware. So let us start by defining what is a computer. A computer is basically made up of two parts, that is hardware and software. Since hardware is the physical part and need instructions to do its work, hence hardware cannot perform any task until it is given an instruction. So software is a set of programs that helps in guiding the computer to perform its basic operation like input, processing and output. Software is that we cannot touch the software, and the software is basically the games, music, the presentation, these are all softwares. So there are two types of softwares, system software and application software. System software is basically controls the overall operation of the computer. It is divided into three categories, that is operating system, language processor and utility software. The application software on the other hand performs a specific task on the computer. It is basically divided into two categories, that is general software and specific purpose software. So let us start by what is operating system. Operating system is basically the most basic and most important software without which the computer cannot function. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. The functions of software is basically three, that is hardware efficiency, resource manager and the manager. So it ensures that the hardware that we are using is used in effective manner. It allocates the resources like CPU, IO, etc. to the programs and applications whenever they need them. It helps to create and manage files and folders for storing it efficiently. The example of operating system is MS Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. So let us start by defining what is a language processor. So software basically are created in high level languages like Java, C++ and C, which are basically not the computer is not able to understand these languages as these are high level languages, and the computer can only read in low level or machine level language. Hence, the language processor is an important software which translates the high level language of the machine to the machine level language so that our computer is able to understand that. Next is what is utility software. It is a software that is used to perform basically the maintenance work on a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. The example of utility software is disk defragmenter, antivirus software and backup utility. So what is this defragmenter? So it increases the speed to access the data from the hard disk by rearranging the files which are scattered across the different locations and to free up the space. The files are stored in nearby location and free the space are combined together to form continuous blocks so that the speed to access the data can be increased. So antivirus software. First, we need to understand what are viruses. Viruses are the program that disrupts the normal functioning of the computer and slows down the computer, which leads to computer crash. Antivirus software scans the disk for viruses and removes such dangerous programs. The example of antivirus software are Norton, QuickHeal, MacFree, etc. Backup utility. So this helps in maintaining a copy of the data that are essential on the hard disk so that in case we lost our precious data, we are able to recover it. Next are the application software, which are general purpose software. These software are developed for general need for a large number of people. For example, Word, DBMS, graphic software, etc. Specific purpose software. These are the software that is developed for a specifically an organization or an individual. It is also known as customized software. The example of specific purpose software are stock or reservation system at the airport. Now we will be talking about what are the relation between hardware and software. So basically, as we have learned earlier, that hardware are the physical part, and without it's giving its instruction, hardware cannot perform its task individually. Hence, hardware always need to interact with the OS, that is operating system, application, and the user. These three make up a software, and this is hardware. So a computer is basically made up of hardware and software, which interacts with each other to make a computer function. So that's it for today. Hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thank you.